Hey everyone, today we are checking out the Alusso 30-watt motion sensor outdoor floodlight. It's a hardwired, weather-resistant security light that promises powerful illumination and flexible lighting modes. So this is a sleek 30-watt LED floodlight from Alusso. It delivers 2700 lumens of brightness and offers 3 lighting modes: dusk till dawn, auto motion, and always on. It's ETL listed and built to endure outdoor environments. Included in the box is your paperwork, the motion floodlight itself, a weather seal, and some mounting hardware. After we got this floodlight installed, it has been a tremendous help on lighting the area. You have 3 different lighting modes. You can choose between dusk to dawn, activating at night only, auto motion, which comes on triggered by movement up to 40 feet, or an on time mode, allowing the light to stay on or be wired directly to your wall switch. We chose to set this up in auto motion mode for our application, and it's been working great. You can also fine-tune the sensitivity from 1 to 40 feet, as well as the duration from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. And also the brightness threshold can be adjusted from 5 to 2000 lux, all using the knobs on the motion sensor. At 2700 lumens, this dual head floodlight can cover up to 2000 square feet with a 100-degree beam angle. Plus, the 150-degree motion sensor ensures nothing will sneak by unnoticed. And nothing beats the adjustable heads, letting you point this light exactly where you need it. You can also change the color temperatures between 3 different settings. This switch is located on the back of the mount, so make sure you choose your lighting setting before it's mounted. Otherwise, you will have to take the light off the wall to change this setting. But you can dial it to be a warm white around 3000 Kelvin, a natural white, which is around 4000 Kelvin, and a daylight balance, which is around 6500 Kelvin. This allows you to adjust the light to your other lights or just for your ambient needs. And what is an outdoor motion floodlight without durability? It's rated at an IP65 waterproof, making this light built to last across rain, snow, and in direct sunlight. And you can get this light hassle-free with a 3-year warranty. Overall, this motion light is very bright and it works really well, making this a great choice for backyard lighting, over a carport garage, or even a shed. The Alusso 30-watt floodlight delivers a lot for its price. Ultra bright, customizable modes, great build, and a reassuring 3-year warranty, making this a solid smart lighting pick. Just keep in mind that it is a hardwired fixture, so you might need an electrician if you can't do it yourself. So if you're interested in checking out a new motion light, this Alusso fixture is one that I would recommend. We'll have all of our links and details located in the description. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to give this video a like. Any questions on this lighting fixture, make sure to leave them in the comments. That's going to wrap it up for this one. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.